Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a simple and effective search bar to your Wix website in just a few steps. First, on your Wix editor, go to the top left corner here and click add elements. Now in the search bar, here in the search bar, type the word search. As you can see that their list appears. Click on site search, then click add to site here. After adding here, you can see add site. This adds the Wix site search app on your website. You will now see a search results section. Here you can see, hover over it and click on quick edit to customize if you need, and if you don't need to customize, then leave it. Click settings. Here you can see settings, then manage settings. You can also, you are clicking manage settings, you can also edit many informations on the search bar. You can also go to display and design to match the style to your website. Just change if any changes are needed. Now let's move to the search bar and move it to the upper side. You can drag it into the top strip or place it anywhere on your page layout. As you can see, I have put it in the top corner. So once you're happy with everything, click on publish and then view site to test it live. As you can see, I'm testing it right now. Sometimes result take a few minutes to update. Just check your settings and wait a bit if you don't see any content right away. And that's how you can easily add a search bar to your Wix site. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.